If you want to create stunning AI art quickly, Leonardo AI is one of the best tools to use. In this video, I'll show you how to use Leonardo AI to make the best art in just a few simple steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy AI tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Leonardo AI in your browser and head into the Workspace. Once you're inside, click the image menu button in the middle. This is where you'll set up your generation settings before you create anything. Next, choose your preferred model. The model you select can affect the style, quality, and overall look of your artwork, so pick the one that matches the type of image you want to create. After that, set your quality. If you want sharper, more detailed results, choose a higher quality setting. If you want faster generations, you can lower it a bit depending on your goal. Then, set your style if you want to guide the look of the image. This step is optional, but it can be very helpful if you want your art to feel more realistic, cinematic, illustrated, or stylized. Now choose your image dimensions. This is important because it controls the shape of the final artwork. For example, you can make a square image for social media, a portrait image for characters, or a wide image for thumbnails and the banners. After that, choose the number of generations you want. If you want more options to compare, generate multiple versions at once. If you already have a strong idea, 1 or 2 generations may be enough. Now look for the text prompt bar. This is where you describe the image you want Leonardo AI to create. Be as clear as possible and include details like subject, style, lighting, mood, background, and colors. The more specific your prompt is, the better your results will usually be. If you already have an image you want to use as inspiration, you can upload an image reference with the upload button. Just select the photo from your local storage and Leonardo AI will use it as a visual guide. This is a great way to match composition, pose, or art style more closely. Once everything is ready, type your text prompt into the prompt bar. Then click Generate and let Leonardo AI create your artwork. In just a few moments, you'll see your results appear on the screen. And from there, you can review, refine, and try different prompts until you get the best possible art. That's how to use Leonardo AI to make the best art. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.